Hello students, hope you are doing well and preparing well during these vacations. As you already know, this situation may change or may not be changed. So we have decided to cover the remaining syllabus through such videos, through such applications. Now, as a part of our syllabus, we have to study today some of the points from 6th unit. The title for this 6th unit is Fundamentals of Acoustics. As you already know, audio video engineering consists of the syllabus related to audio engineering as well as some of the concepts related to video engineering. All the concepts related to video engineering we have already covered before in semester examination. And as a part of audio engineering, we have already studied some of the devices, some of the appliances like CD player, DVD player, and some of the recent applications in audio video engineering. To extend these concepts, we have to study some of the advanced techniques related to the audio or related to the studio and its parameters. This unit is included in the syllabus. This slide gives the idea about different points to be covered in this unit. The new concepts may be the concept of acoustics, the concept of reverberation, the concept of echo, the system which is used to transfer the audio, it is called as public address system, that is PA system. Then how to develop a room into a studio, into a chamber, that is called as acoustic chamber. And to share this video, to share this audio from one place to another, we require microphones and loudspeakers. So some of the types of microphones as well as loudspeakers we have to study, and the concept of digital and satellite radio receiver we have to study. This unit is very important as per as end semester examination is concerned. Most of the points you will get from the book R.J. Gupta. I have already shared some of the points, some of the PPTs, some of the on. That is the idea to see the concept with acoustics. This word consists of words and acoustics. So maybe a room which is used to record signal of radio signal. Acoustics, the branch deals with the, so how sound works, how sound behaves in a room or in this is silence, so it's pretty expensive. मराठी कुठे आहे ना आपल्या त्या रूम मध्ये कुठला प्रिझम आहे तो म्हणजे शांतता, सायलेन्स. ही शांतता स्टुडंट इम्पॉर्टंट आहे जनरल क्वेश्चन्स त्यामुळे that for a room to pass we must maintain the science so that we cannot be fruitful. So studios find loss of cost in the it actually not in the mind sound should not enter from any area inside the room. So that develop a room in commercial recording studio, we have missed a lot of question because of maintaining the size in that. What to be done for that room should have as an external event to be done. These are first double and triple walls. Double and triple wall means while constructing that room, layers of should be made as well as triple. To have double and triple layers of wall so that it is a rigid wall which allows into that room. So very first option for providing soundproofing is to maintain the room double and triple walls. Next is concrete slabs. Concrete slabs, whatever it is, on top of that room, in short, क्लासरूम में अगर कन्वर्ट करना है वी शुड प्रोवाइड जो किसी भी रूम का और सीलिंग है किसी भी रूम का दैट फ्लोरिंग एंड सीलिंग directly should not be in contact with other device. In short, they should be isolated once. इसीलिए अगर हम किसी भी स्टूडियो में जाते हैं, रिकॉर्डिंग स्टूडियो में जाते हैं, तो वहां पे हमें different types of isolations observe होते हैं. Third option to have soundproofing is custom steel doors. रूम के जो डोर्स है वो भी प्योरली स्टील मैन्युफैक्चर होते हैं. There were not availability of wooden or some other material doors. So these are some of the options to provide soundproofing. Your room should be having double and triple walls. Your ceiling, concrete slabs and flooring should be isolated. The doors of that room should be with steel door. A studio sound is its number one asset and most owners will go any length to get it. अगर किसी स्टूडियो का एसेट हमें कंसिडर करना है, उसके पैरामीटर इंपॉर्टेंट कंसिडर करना है, तो उसका इंपॉर्टेंट पैरामीटर क्या है? साउंड. दैट शुड बी मेंटेन. और वो मेंटेन करने के लिए जो स्टूडियो के ओनर है वो किसी भी हद तक इन्वेस्टमेंट कर सकते हैं टू प्रोवाइड अ गुड क्वालिटी साउंड. हमें ये साउंड प्रूफिंग प्रोवाइड करना है किसके अगेंस्ट? These are the options that may create mixing of sound, that may disturb the original sound. To have the soundproofing, we should provide this soundproofing against wall couplings, against resonant frequencies, against bass frequencies, against early reflections, and against standing waves. In short, if a question is asked, what is to be taken while constructing a commercial studio, or what are the methods of soundproofing, and what care should be taken when converting a room into a studio? Presently, क्या होता है? जहाँ कहीं भी तो speaking in front of you, मेरा मोबाइल से अगर बात है तो that may create reflection. में किसी में जाके स्ट्राइक हो सकता है, वो रीस्ट्राइक रिफ्लेक्शंस. वन साइड रिजल्ट इन सम इफेक्ट. और मैं आपको क्लासरूम में पढ़ाऊं, वो वॉल पे जाके स्ट्राइक होके उसका स्ट्राइक हो सकती है. So it may create two different. Next concept is frequency. The sound frequency will boom like a drum. It booms. अगर वॉल स्ट्राइक होते हैं तो beat like a drum. So it's really of the different such as well as to prevent the light to convert glass filler into gypsum boards. Gypsum क्या होता है? हमारे घर पे जो सीलिंग होते हैं उसमें डिजाइन पीओपी का करते हैं. That design is used with the. So such gypsum boards are used. Gypsum boards convert that wall into stand resilient wall. Local जो असतो आपण पॅनल इन्क्लूड केला दोन मध्ये आणि त्याची जर लेयर केली तर तिसरा केअर शुड वाईड कव्हर्स युअर फॉरेन कन्सेप्ट्स the video. So it is sufficient for today. Let us have we can say